Passive composite with re ending verbs. Re changes to you. My verb is vandru. I will remove re and I will add you to it. So my past participle for verb vandru will be vandu. Now again, I'm going to conjugate this with avoir verb. What is the verb? Avoir. J, Q, R. Next is il, L, A, nous, avant. Next is vous, avez. And the last is il, elle, on. Okay. Now again, I'm going to add past participle to it. J'ai vendu, tu as vendu, elle a vendu. Nous avons vendu, vous avez vendu, ils ont vendu. Clear? Same with other verbs. If the verb is attendre, it will be, the past participle will be attendu. Now, my sentence is Mark dash attendre pour l'autobus. Next is nous dash attendre pour notre amis. Attendre means to wait. What will be the answer? Tell me the answer. What can be the answer? Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, first answer will be a vendu and second answer will be avo vendu.
A vendu and last will be avo vendu. So this way we are going to do re ending verb. So we are complete with all the regular verbs which are conjugated with avoir in passive composite, that is er, ir and re ending verb. After this, we are going to continue with the irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Verbs whose conjugation is different in each and every verb, right? Suppose we have already done, we are doing since class 6, verb être, verb aller, verb avoir, vouloir, savoir, and partir, and again it's ouvrir. So these kinds of verbs which are irregular, those verbs whose conjugation is different, that are called as irregular verbs. After this, we are going to continue with that. Now we are going to do the passive composite with verb irregulier. I've already told what are the irregular verbs, the verbs whose conjugation are different. So now, right now, we are going to write the past participle of the few of the verbs which are irregular. Okay. Suppose dir verb, dir means to say. You can write the meaning aside, and the past participle is be, bit. Next is écrire, means to write. The past participle is écrit. Next is devoir, that means must. It's due and a little heart upon this kind of accent we place. Next is boire. Boire means to drink. The past participle is bu. Avoir means to have. Past participle is eu. Next is voir, to see. Past participle is vu. Next is pouvoir. Pouvoir means to able to. Past participle is you. Savoir means to know. Past participle is su. Su. Then is prendre means to take. Past participle is prise. Apprendre means to learn. Past participle is apprise. More are there. Next is mettre means to put. Past participle is me. Next is comprendre. The past participle is comprise and it means to understand. Next is ouvrir, to open. Past participle is ouvert. Offrir, to offer. Past participle is offert. Next is courir, means to run. Past participle is couru. Next is connaître, to know. Past participle is connu. Next is rire. Rire means to laugh. Past participle is ri. Next is faire, to do. Past participle is fait. Next is être, to be. Past participle is était. Next is vouloir, means to want, and the past participle is voulu. So these are certain exceptional verbs, ठीक है, जिनका past participle are as follows given on the board. You just write these past participles and then I'll let you know how we conjugate these in the passé composé. Please write it down. You all have learned how we do passé composé with irregular verbs. We have just learned the past participle of irregular verbs. Now I'm taking one of the verbs. Suppose I'm taking verb avoir, because what is the problem with avoir? Here with this tense in passé composé, we use only avoir verb to make it passé composé. So avoir का जो past participle होता है वो होता है eu. Now see, J, पहले हम इसको avoir के साथ conjugate करेंगे. J, tu, a, il, elle, a. Next is nous avons. Next is vous avez. And the last one is ils and elles ont. Now the past participle is eu. J, eu, tu, a, eu, il, elle, a, eu. Nous avons eu, vous avez eu, ils, elles ont eu. Same with other verbs, the verbs which I've learned as a passé composé, as a past participle, we are going to do passé composé with accordingly those verbs. Next, I am taking one more verb, that is être. Être का जो past participle होता है वो होता है était. Now see, J, tu as, il, elle, a. Nous avons, vous avez, il and elle ont. Now, what is the past participle? J'étais, tu as été, il, elle a été, nous avons été, vous avez été, ils, elles ont été. So this is your past participle with the verb être. You people can raise your hand to answer. Je dash mettre में स्थिलो yo dash metro me estilo sur la table. Tu dash comprendre cette leçon. Now tell the answer. Yes, Anupriya, tell me the first answer.
J A mice.
Jamie. ठीक है, ये apostrophe हो जाएगा. Next, Vivek, tu dash comprendre cette leçon.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, comprise. Ma'am, comprise.
Comprise is the past participle. What will be the conjugation?
Ma'am, 2S.
Yes, you are compris. So this way you are going to do passé composé with verb irregular. I hope it is understood by you all. Yes. So what you have to do is, I guess 20 verbs I have done with you, which are exceptional verbs, and I have done their past participle also. So you have to learn those past participle. Rest, everything is same. Your formation is same way as you do with regular verbs. Same way the formation is there, just the past participle is different. So the first one was regular verbs, that is ER, IR and RE. ER changes to E accent, IR ending changes to I, and RE ending changes to U. And if I talk about irregular verbs, so their past participles are different, but they are only conjugated with verb avoir. Your formation will be, your structure will be subject plus avoir in present plus past participle and plus object. Now we'll be learning how to do negation. Negation au passé composé. Simply what we have to do is, हमारा जो formation होता है passé composé करने का, that is subject plus être and avoir auxiliary in present plus past participle plus object. Now, how we are going to do negation? Simply we will add na before the auxiliary verb, na plus auxiliary verb. Which auxiliary verb? Être or avoir. Here in this lesson, we are only learning avoir. Okay? Plus pa. Plus past participle plus object. Suppose if I take one sentence, my sentence is j'ai compris cette leçon. Now I have to do negation for this. This is in passé composé. So what will be the formation? Subject plus ne plus your auxiliary verb. It's avoir. So apostrophe आ जाएगा यहाँ. Je ne pas. So जो negation हम करेंगे, that is between the auxiliary verb. Ne before the auxiliary verb and pas after the auxiliary verb. Je n'ai pas compris cette leçon. So this way we are going to do negation. One more example I am giving you. My sentence is Marie a vu a beau film. Marie watched a good film. So the negation will be Marie and apostrophe a, nya pa. Na before the auxiliary verb, pa after the auxiliary verb. Marie nya pa vu un bon film. So this is how we do negation passe composé.